Hey, I just got home. Work kept me up. Are you there? All right. Well, I'm gonna put something fresh on, and I'm gonna head right on over. Yes, I'm so sorry. I'm about to leave right now. Just give me a second. All right, I'm leaving. Sorry I'm late. Got caught up in my shirt.
That's okay. I've only been waiting for about 20 minutes.
Yeah, again, I'm sorry. Just got hung up in my shirt.
You got caught up in your shirt?
Took a little longer than I thought it would to get ready.
You got ready? Oh.
Yeah, I just want to make tonight perfect.
Here. Next time you should use this. I think it'll make it perfect.
I don't have any pants on, do I?
Next time, use Color Perfect to make the next date a perfect date.
For more than 30 years, the Leatherman multi-tool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72, row 12, seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
Every second is an opportunity to create, to improve, to seize the moment. Since every second counts, we designed the world's first ever multi-tool timepiece, the Tread Tempo. With 30 hard-working tools on your wrist, it's flight-friendly, made to go everywhere you do. Tough enough to keep ticking at the deepest depths and highest peaks, because when every second counts, you only have time to worry about getting the job done, so you can get to the next item on your list.